Did you ever think about spending a whole summer in a new country? Did you ever think about spending so much time in amazing nature? Did you ever think about living with an international family? Yes. Let's see what our volunteers say about our project.
This kind of project is important for all the people, all the students, because they get together and they get to know more things about different cultures, different people, different religion.
They can learn things that they cannot learn at school or at the university. For example, they can develop some soft skills or team building skills,
Speaking skills or presentation skills.
Well, when you're a student, you don't know much about yourself, you don't know what you're good at. Here you can learn things. I mean, you discover yourself.
It's a must to do for everyone.
Okay.
Lesson I learned: teamwork.
Teamworking, different backgrounds, different religions. Some of us we are Muslims, some of us are Catholics. We are here to work and to do our best, trying to help the community that we are involved in.
from different cultures and backgrounds can become a family in a very short time.
I like this.
We're cooperating with each other, and it's amazing in an amazing way, not in a boring way.
I got skills for future. I learned to cut wood, I learned to paint, and maybe not the best job possible, but it's a beginning of everything.
Learned that everybody is really friendly and everybody wants to achieve different goals. Cup. Thai la monta.
Stage for coming volunteers. You should come and enjoy.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm joking.
Just join, and it will be fun and you will love it. And you will join also the other projects.
Do it. Everybody should do it. Even if you're not a student, if you're under 30, you can do it. You must do it, not you can. It's really enjoyable. It's a new experience.
You will really have fun here.
And it's something that you won't forget for the rest of your life, like living with people for a whole month. That's amazing, actually.
Go for it, you will never regret it.
You can get a lot from that and learn things that you cannot learn somewhere else.
Never overdo the rakia.
Any moment, well, there are a lot, I don't know. I think, what is the name of this game with the hands?
A few moments later.
Like a role play.
We all get together late in the night and play games and dance and laugh and drink, stuff like that.
For me, it's really fun when we come together and we share different music and different tastes in music, and they try to sing our songs and we try to dance to their song.
It was when Chip had to eat the whole donut.
playing Truth in Dare, and someone gave a dare to Ciprian to exchange cloth with Diana.